Ilm al-Ladun, the divine knowledge from Allah's presence. A Sufi Unveiling, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed. We acquire knowledge through books, teachers, and experience. But what if there's a sacred knowledge that bypasses all these channels, flowing directly from the divine presence into the heart of a purified servant? Today, we unlock the mystery of Ilm al-Ladun, the divine knowledge from Allah's presence, a Sufi Unveiling. This rare and profound wisdom is not learned, but given. A spiritual illumination that transforms perception and reveals truths beyond the ordinary. Join me as we explore this extraordinary gift of Gnostic insight, the divinely bestowed knowledge. What is Ilm al-Ladun? Ilm al-Ladunni literally means knowledge from his presence, or knowledge from my very self. The term is directly derived from a pivotal verse in the Qur'an, describing Prophet Moses' encounter with Khidr, a mysterious figure. Then they found one of our servants to whom we had granted mercy from us, and taught him knowledge from our presence min ladun. Qur'an 18-65. Not acquired, but inspired. Unlike acquired knowledge, which comes through study, reason, or sensory experience. Ilm al-Ladun is ilm wabi, divinely bestowed, inspired knowledge. It's a direct, intuitive insight that springs from the depths of the spiritual heart. Beyond conventional learning, it transcends the need for formal education, books, or teachers in its acquisition. It is a gift, a spiritual opening, a direct connection to the divine source of all knowledge. The qualities of Ilm al-Ladun. Ilm al-Ladunni possesses unique qualities that set it apart. It purifies the heart and intellect, lining the individual with divine wisdom and unveiling deeper layers of reality. It's a sudden, immediate understanding, a direct seeing or knowing in the heart, signifying it is a gift of divine grace, not earned through mere effort. Though effort is necessary to prepare the vessel, it's intuitive and direct. It's not arrived at through logical deduction or inference. It's transcendent. It often reveals truths that are hidden from ordinary perception, dealing with the inner reality of things, the interconnectedness of events or future occurrences. Khidr's actions in the Qur'an, seemingly unjust to Musa, were later revealed as rooted in this deeper, hidden wisdom. A heart clouded by impurities cannot reflect divine light clearly, purifying and transforming. This knowledge transforms the recipient, rooted in divine mercy. As the verse states, it is a knowledge granted as a mercy from us, the Sufi path to receiving Ilm al-Ladunni. While Ilm al-Ladun is ultimately a divine gift, Sufis outline the necessary spiritual conditions and practices to prepare the heart to receive it. Sincere devotion equals purity of intention, performing all actions solely for Allah's sake, is paramount. Rigorous purification, tatskayet, al-Nafs, cleansing the ego nafs from vices like arrogance, greed, envy, and attachment to the world. And friends of Allah who have achieved high stations of spiritual purity and proximity to the divine, actions, incomprehensible to Musa's rational mind, reveal deeper divine wisdom. Constant remembrance, Dhikr, engaging in continuous Dhikr remembrance of Allah, which polishes the heart and opens it to spiritual insights. Spiritual solitude, Khalwa, retreating from worldly distractions to focus entirely on Allah, creating an inner space for divine illumination. Obedience to a guide, Sheikh, submitting to the guidance of a perfected spiritual master who can discern genuine divine inspiration from delusion. Humility and selflessness. An empty vessel is ready to be filled. True humility, realizing one's utter dependence on Allah, makes one receptive to his gifts. The role of Khidr in the Aliyah, the figure of Khidr in the Quran chapter 18, is the archetypal example of one blessed with Ilm al-Ladun. Living proof, Khidr serves as a timeless proof that there exists a knowledge beyond human acquisition, a knowledge directly from Allah's presence. Awliya Allah, friends of Allah. Sufi tradition teaches that this knowledge can be bestowed upon certain Awliya Allah, those saints. They are given insights into hidden realities, the inner dimensions of things, and sometimes even glimpses of the future. But always with divine permission and for divine purposes, means, not an end. For Sufis, Ilm al-Ladunni is a means to deepen one's gnosis of Allah, not an end in itself for worldly gain or showmanship. It serves to strengthen faith and guide others towards truth, safeguarding and understanding, given its profound nature. It's vital to approach the concept of ilm al-Ladun with wisdom and caution, not a replacement for Sharia. This knowledge never contradicts the explicit commands and prohibitions of Islamic law Sharia. Any claimed ilm al-Ladunni that leads one to abandon prayer, deny clear Islamic principles, or behave immorally is a delusion. If this lecture resonated with your spirit, please like this video, subscribe to Sufi Essence with Hammad Syed, and share your thoughts or questions about this divine knowledge in the comments below. Beyond intellectual grasp, it is a realm that the ordinary intellect cannot fully comprehend or dictate. Attempting to force or rationalize such knowledge without proper spiritual grounding can lead to error. Humility in receiving. Those who are blessed with it are marked by extreme humility, understanding it is a pure gift, not a personal achievement. They do not boast or use it for worldly gain. The light of divine wisdom, ilm al-Ladun, stands as a testament to Allah's boundless knowledge and His profound mercy. For the sincere Sufi, it represents the highest form of spiritual learning, a direct, unmediated infusion of divine wisdom into a purified heart. It is the unveiling of truths that lie beyond books and reason, a glimpse into the hidden dimensions of Allah's creation, guiding the seeker towards ever deeper knowledge of the divine presence itself. It is truly the essence of Sufi essence. Thank you for joining me on this profound exploration of ilm al-Ladun. Until our next spiritual unveiling, may Allah bless us with genuine understanding and purity of heart.